going to be a film called MGB It's Got to Be Overdrive. This is looking at the Laycock overdrive system. They were sort of more or less the pioneers of this in Great Britain. Now, an overdrive basically is like I suppose a small gearbox tacked onto your standard gearbox. And it means you've got extra drive when it's not engaged and a higher ratio when it is engaged. So it means lower revs on the engine can reduce the revs by about a third. It can improve your fuel economy. This car, as I said, does 50 miles to the gallon, so it improves it to about 70. Haha, I wish. And it's just smoother running. It's the sort of thing for when you're driving on motorways, you just put it into overdrive. Sometimes on some of them you just press a switch on the dashboard. I've not had overdrive fitted on this car because I've kept this car in its original sort of condition. But this is a fantastic film. Many thanks, Drew. We've had a little bit of help from Alex and David down at Motor Films UK. They have an unbelievable film library. You've got to look at their stuff on their website. So thanks to David, thanks to Alex, because they have assisted us a little bit with this film. But what I like about this film, in fact that it's an MGB, but also it's the amount of traffic congestion you get on the motorway. Where are all the cars? Where are all the cones? Enjoy this one.
This man is tired. He's tired of noise and vibration. He's tired of endless gear changing to overtaken speed. He's tired of repair bills for wear and tear. Most of all, he's tired of the high cost of petrol and oil, of the inconvenience of having to fill up and pay out time after time. What's the answer? Sometimes driving feels like all pay and no pleasure. If only he knew about GKN Laycock Overdrive, he could save 1 gallon in 6. Now this man isn't tired. At cruising speed, he switches into overdrive without using the clutch or moving his accelerator foot. That means less noise and vibration, less wear on engine and transmission. And power to overtake is at his fingertip, without the need to use the gear lever. Increased performance, less driving fatigue. But most of all, he saves on petrol. Longer mileage on one tank full, so fewer stops to refill. In addition to lower maintenance costs, overdrive means he enjoys easier driving at sustained speeds, with less noise and more comfort, as well as lower petrol consumption. What is overdrive? In simple terms, it's a unit located in the transmission line which reduces engine revolutions whilst maintaining road speed. In effect, it extends the range of gears on your car. At cruising speeds, say from 35 miles an hour upwards, overdrive ensures a steady and economical flow of power. The car owner who has overdrive saves wear and tear, cuts driving fatigue, and spends less on petrol and oil. A present from Laycock Overdrive. 1 free gallon in every 6 you use.
So that MGB Overdrive, the thing about it is there was no traffic congestion on the motorways because there was basically no traffic. No such thing as travel news on the radio and the television. It's a terrifically nostalgic film, and the advantage there having an overdrive fitted to the MGB.